Vident, car diagnostic tools professional dealer. Easy to use, practical. Vident iEasy200 OBDII engine tester is used to test engine ECU system with OBD2 protocol and with 12 voltage. One button IM quickly displays the current status of the car, showing the full name of current data stream. iEasy200 OBDII scanners also reading vocals, clearing vocals, reading dynamic data streams, viewing freeze frame data, IM readiness, vehicle information. Allow to change a language, reset measurement unit, adjust display screen contrast, used when entering the setup menu. 8 languages available. You can set up any language you need. Vident, professional dealer of car diagnostic tools.